Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Johnson. In this video, I will be defining what jQuery is. I will go over some of the benefits of implementing jQuery into your code, and I will also show you an example of how I apply jQuery into my portfolio website. Let's start by going over what jQuery actually is. jQuery is a JavaScript-based library designed to simplify the coding on your website. It is known to be the write less, do more JavaScript library. The library is a collection of JavaScript functions that allow the user to implement interactive functionality without the headache of multiple lines of code. With just 1 or 2 lines of code with jQuery, a user can achieve a certain task, unlike JavaScript, which might take 10 to 20 lines to achieve the same task. Some of the most common tasks performed with jQuery are managing a web page, animation, and effects. What are the benefits? The main advantage of using jQuery over JavaScript is because of its simplicity. It is a set of tools written in JavaScript, so jQuery allows you to do more with less JavaScript. jQuery's library is large. There are numerous functions you can pull from to use in your website. There are also an abundance of plugins on the web that make creating special effects simple and fast for web developers. Now I will show you where I implemented jQuery into my portfolio website. Here on the jQuery UI webpage, you can see just how many different functions you can choose from. We have interactions, we've got widgets, and effects. So what I chose to implement is the mouse over tabs effect. So here we are, and if you hover over each tab, your header here, you'll have a little bit of information on each corresponding tab. If we scroll down, we can view our source, which starts here with our reference document style sheet. Then here's our call to function, which is the tabs and mouse over. And then scrolling down a little bit more, we'll see our tabs. All I did was copy and paste into my code here. So at the very top, we have our reference document style sheet, which makes this code work. Our function is here, which is our tabs mouse over. And down below, I have chosen to use the tabs in my relevant project section of my portfolio. We've got about 4 tabs. Here are the names. And then at each tab, we've got some information in each. So now let's see it in action. Okay, here's my portfolio section. Under relevant projects, we have our tabs, and if I hover over each, it should give us information. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, well thank you for listening.